Good morning! We are going on a walk today up to Breacon Beacons. Going to be exploring the Breacon Beacons. If you know where that is, it's pretty sure it's a national park. I might be wrong about that. We're super excited. We go pretty much every summer because we love it so much. There's 4 waterfalls that you walk to. I'm pretty sure the best waterfall is the furthest one away. But it's so worth it. It is a bit of a trek, but it's so worth it when you get there. I might be wrong, but I saw a post on Facebook the other day that the Bat Cave was filmed in one of them. Oh, I don't know. I'm not actually sure. We're gonna go grab my friend Phoebe now from Chepstow. And then I think it takes about an hour to get to Breacon Beacons from where we are. So yes, I will vlog the whole thing and super duper excited. Excited, Harry?
Thrilled.
We love going to Breacon Beacons, don't we? So very excited. And it's about 20 degrees today, but cloudy, so perfect weather really. Obviously it looks really grey, but that's just the weather in the UK. Went to a little Tesco. I got some melon, a pineapple and a Greek salad that was on offer. £1.81 bargain. And a Lucozade because I'm still quite ill, so I'm just waiting for Phoebe now. She should be here any minute and then we can set off. I think it'll take about an hour and a half to get where we gotta go. Hey guys, we've just stopped for a little wee to go into Sainsbury's.
We're going to Breacon Beacons.
There's been so much traffic.
Yeah,
so.
it's been a bit of a long
It's been a bit
drive.
rough.
You know.
A little bit of a detour because my car is breaking. So yeah, we'll check in when we get there. Finally arrived, guys, after a fucking 5-hour detour and £5 parking. Almost couldn't get in, had to go to the other car park, so we've got a bit of a trek and it's raining. And I haven't got a jacket, so so almost at the first one. I slipped and fell. Oh my god. So we're at the first one, and then the second one is where you can walk behind the waterfall. That's the main attraction.
here. The first one. Crazy.
You gotta walk down, and then there's some little steps down by here where you can stand on the ledge. Very slippery. You have to really carefully select your footing. Wow, it's crazy. Wow, this is so cool. Gorgeous. Natural waterfall. The drop is crazy. Crazy, isn't it? I'm scared I'm gonna fall off.
She's an adventure explorer. Smooth.
It's really slippery. Oh, it's really slippery on the rock.
Covered in mud.
It's been a great walk so far. It's so beautiful here. 100% definitely recommend that you come if you are in Wales and you're near.
Bear Grylls is natural habitat.
Bear Grylls.
Little bug was just on me. He's so cute and green. It is tipping it down. Literally, I'm soaked. I'm gonna go to the second waterfall now, and this is the one where you can go behind. So really excited. This is my favourite one.
Isn't that cool? Where we're going. Not really though. Wow. So we finished the walk. Pretty muddy.
We're probably saying something in sheep.
But we're on our way back now. Tried to stop for a hot dog, but the guy was shutting the shop. So yeah, on our way back now, we're gonna go to Taco Bell. Pretty successful walk. We bumped into our friends Jade and Jack. That was a nice surprise. And those stairs were an absolute killer. But we did it. It's about, is it 6 now or 7? It's about 6 now. We're going home, getting a Taco Bell. And yeah, that's the end of the vlog. Goodbye. Bye vlog.